At ngayon, balik tayo sa ating palatuntunang Kalikasan, Kaunlaran. Kasama pa rin si Dr. Cora Claudio.
Okay tutuloy natin ang ating talakayan tungkol dito sa green energy, agriculture and industry. Bago natin puntahan yung isa pang event na unawaan natin kung bakit natin ginagawa itong renewable energy at COMSTE work at pinaliwanag ni Dr. Tangonan kung ano yung ginagawa nila dito sa Commission on COMSTE, Commission on Science and Technology and Engineering, napakagaling yan. Yan ho yung ating field at natutuwa ako na pinagtutuunan natin ang pansin nito ngayon kasi yan ang kailangan natin upang tayo talaga ay sumulong dito sa Pilipinas. At I hope you are well funded dahil maraming hamon dyan sa field na yan. Ngayon, very briefly, bigay lang natin ng capsule itong teaser tungkol naman dito sa REACT na event. Sinong gustong gumawa niyan?
The rationale for having this conference is that COMSTE did in fact review our competitiveness with respect to energy issues, and we are emphasizing energy efficiency, going to LED lighting and other uses of heat and power generation in agriculture. But we also wanted to leave open the possibility in renewables that we partner more broadly with other people who have more advanced technologies. So we reach out and not necessarily pretend that we're going to develop our own technologies ourselves, especially in the energy field, which is moving so extremely fast. It's smart for us to get the best and brightest from all over the world and get our investors, our entrepreneurs, our local governments involved. And that is essentially why we have REACT, to get people from local governments, governors, mayors, technology people like myself and others, people in the business community wondering how can we build green industries in the Philippines. And what's holding us back? Actually, nothing's holding us back. I'll bet on the Filipino anytime, and I think we are getting our act together. We are moving into solar, we're moving into the renewables, we're moving into biofuels. We actually have a good work already started in algae, which is one of the hottest fields you can be in. And as I said, part of our strategy is to leverage on the investment of other people, because we will not probably get to 1% of our GDP in a long time. But if we can partner with people and collaborate with others, I think we can leapfrog. So essentially, COMSTE has developed a leapfrog strategy in a number of fields, including energy.
Mm-hmm. Well, I hope uumpisahan natin magbuhat doon sa kabataan. Alam mo, I sit in the board of the Philippine Science and Philippine Foundation for Science and Technology, and we run the Science Centrum. Meron kaming mobile exhibits that we bring around the country, and every time we bring the mobile exhibit around, naku, tuwan-tuwa yung mga tao, sabi nila, salamat ho at dinala nyo rito ang Disneyland, kasi talagang mga interactive exhibits yon. There is much thirst for science and technology knowledge, and there is much potential. Kulang lang talaga pa ang support. So ngayon ho ang pagkakataon, lalo na mga inventor natin, mag-attend kayo rito at makikita nyo ang ganda ho nitong mga forum nila, global opportunities in different renewable energy, from solar, wind, geothermal, hydro, ocean, and biofuel. Kasama na nga doon yung sinasabi niyang algae. Ito ho yung talagang hot, at marami, ano na nga sa Tagalog ito, yung lumot. Hindi ba? Yan ho ay, kung hindi kayo careful, at meron na akong experience yan, ako'y nadapa, kasi madulas, So, ito ho, marami na hong mapagkukuhanan ng renewable energy dito sa ating bansa, at I believe na maraming magagaling dito na potential scientists. Kung minsan nga ho, kahit na hindi nakaabot sa college, nakaka-invento sila, So, ito na ho ang pagkakataon na sumali kayo dito sa konferensya na ito para ho kayo ay magkaroon ng pagkakataon na malaman din nyo kung ano yung mga oportunidad para sa inyo, no? So, bago tayo magpatuloy dun sa ano pang gusto nyo sabihin dito, puntahan muna natin dito namang isang konferensya, Green Industry, Greening of Industry. Alam mo, matagal namin pinag-uusapan yan at I'm co-founder of the Philippine Business for the Environment, no? At sa ngayon yata ay less than 50 pa lang yung members namin, no? Ngunit increasing, no? Ngayon kailangan natin talaga diyan ng suporta at partisipasyon ng marami pa, lalo na yung small and medium industries, no? Yung mga large industries natin, medyo mas okay yon, pero yung small and medium, no? Parang last priority nila ito, hindi nila naunawaan siguro pa na kung ilalagay nila to na first priority, mas marami pa silang matitipid, no? Okay, pakipaliwanag naman natin Attorney Jonas Leones ho, siya yung EMB Assistant Director at isa siya sa namamahala nitong forthcoming International Conference of Green Industry in Asia.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Talagang maganda pagka nakita uli kayo ng boss mo. Boss po si Madam Claudio sa DNR, siya po ang aming USEC dati. So itong green industry, ito para kapareho din po ito nung sa REACT. Ang purpose po nito ay talagang greening of the industries. At ang maganda po rito, in-invite po natin yung mga ministers from different countries in Asia, and then they will be coming over to conduct a meeting, and then pag-uusapan dito sa meeting na ito, konferensya, kung paano natin mag-sustain yung ating green industry efforts, mga initiatives natin. And then, mas maganda rito, tayong mga developing countries, yung talagang medyo paano pa lang, pa-boom pa lang yung economy, tutulungan tayo in terms of investment and technologies. In fact, yung isa sa mga side events namin, tungkol po sa next generation biofuels. Actually, magkapatid itong program na ito, yung green industry at saka yung kanilang REACT, dahil ang purpose talaga nito ay really to identify technologies which are resource efficient, at the same time low carbon. So ito naman talaga ang purpose ng green industry, makapag-identify tayo ng mga activities natin na talagang less pollutive, at pag ang effort natin ay tungkol sa green industry, so hindi lang to nakakatulong sa ating kapaligiran, sa environment, but at the same time nakakaroon pa tayo ng income in terms of carbon credits. Ito po yung sa CDM natin. Kung efficient kasi yung mga activities, maaari ka pong magkaroon pa ng additional income para sa mga nag-implement ng mga activities. So ito po actually yung focus ng conference, mag-identify, mag-sharing kung ano yung mga dapat na pwedeng i-adapt na green technologies, and at the same time to protect the environment by reducing our carbon emissions.
At isa yatang magandang side event doon, yung tinatawag ninyong business matching, ano? So, yung ano ba yan? SMEs and big business being matched to help each other para maging green. Kasi nga kailangan natin ng tulong ng mga big businesses for the SMEs, no? At isa sa mga companies yan, for example, Nestle, no? Ang ginagawa nila, yung kanilang mga suppliers, they assist them, di ba? Yung supply chain management effort nila ay nagiging parang big brother sila doon sa mga small companies, at yan ho yung hamon natin sa mga big industries para matulungan naman yung ating SMEs, no? At meron pa yata kayong greening of tourism, greening of iba-ibang sectors, ano? So kung ano man sector kayo part of, maaari kayong mag-participate doon sa mga ilan ba yan? Itong how many side events do you have on different sectors? Tourism, ano pa?